Now, you may have heard some noise about CAT offering a utility vehicle. Well, today I'm actually not going to talk about the noise. I'm going to talk about how quiet our CAT UTV is. And to do that, today I have brought my digital sound meter, and I am going to show you a relative comparison of the engine noise level of a CAT UTV for our gasoline versions against a leaf blower and an oscillating fan. Let's get started. Now you can see I'm doing the comparison to get relative sound levels at the operator ear. Okay, so for the leaf blower, it came out to be about 91.5 decibels. Now let's compare that against an oscillating fan on high. The oscillating fan at my ear level was around 69 decibels. Now, let's compare that against our CUV 85 today. That's our gas 5-seater version that has the same noise levels as our CUV 82, our gas 2-seater. As you can see, the CUV had very low noise levels, very similar to an oscillating fan. And as you can hear behind me, it's still running. It's very quiet, and that's exactly what our customers asked for when Caterpillar said they're going to design a UTV. Don't be quiet about a CAT UTV, speak up. And for more questions or information, contact your participating UTV CAT dealer.